Good morning, YouTube. I've got a few things I want to share with you today. So I've woke up early, did my planning so I could make this video for you. I was watching somebody last night, and she was introducing some new pickup tool to pick up gems and diamantes. And well, the things were so expensive. She was talking about 24.99, 34.99, and it's just a bit of plastic with a bit of wax at the end. And I was thinking that was a rip-off. I mean, they're ripping us people off, people like myself, crafters, and people like you who watch these videos. And so I wanted to share with you. I used this tool yesterday. I made it myself. It's a crochet hook. And look, I put my own diamantes on. See? Using my glue from Amazon F6000. The thing is, you don't need a tool for $24.99 or $34.99. You can save your money and buy good glue and gold leafing pens and pretty gorgeous resin gems and other things, you know. Like, you can create by tools you can use as tools things you find around the home. So I'll just show you. Okay, so I got scrap junk paper, made pep tools last night for a flower. I used cardboard to make these flower centers. Like, I'm gonna use these, also junk mail. You can see clearly there, junk mail has inches. Glue them together. These two are just card blanks joined together. Oh my god, I'm not paying $34.99 for a pick up tool, so I'll just show you. This was used to put these diamantes on and the glue. So this is a crochet hook, a metal one, and I've had it for many moons. And all I did was I got blue tack. See the hook there? I put the blue tack around it, shaped it into a pointy shape. Yeah, nice and sticky. And I used it to pick up the gems. See, it holds really nicely. And just apply your glue first and then press firmly and it sticks. Check my other video, you'll see it's got perfect sticking position, perfect holding. So why are you going to waste your money? $34.99, $24.99. It's a rip-off. And I want to show you some other free tools. So this is what my video is about today. People are just ripping us off. So show you something. A bit of cardboard for mounting your work on while it dries. So say there was resin in here and I need it to stay flat, and I need the resin to dry flat. So a positioning tool, bit of cardboard, stays flat while it dries. Dry wet wipe to wipe messes away, such as glue spills. And now I'm making a mess on my table. I need a caddy, which I will make myself from a box, cardboard box. I like resin work, and you need a drip tray, you know, it's overflowing. So I used one of these. It's an embroidery something. Kids use them. Embroidery, put wool through it. That goes on there nicely. And the drips can go onto it. Easy Wipe, Easy Clean. This was free. Also, I've got these tools picked up from around the kitchen. So an old ice cream scoop for putting embossing powders or glitters onto your work. A pencil free from IKEA for drawing around things. A pickup tool that I had with my stamp set. I never threw it away. I kept it because you never know when you need these things. But this, I don't know what this is. I found it in the children's play box. I'm going to use it for something though. Look, it's got that on that side and that on that side. I could probably spread glue with that. See? A bit of foam. I don't know, I could use that for something. Another plastic spoon. I use this with my glitter dust to sprinkle it on. And just before I put it in the UV light, you know, with the resin. You might see this in another video if you check back. And here, the inside of one of those ink refill pens. Somehow the tip came off with the resin, I suppose. But I use it as a stir stick. It's free. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not paying $34.99 or $24.99 for any of the silly tools. I'm going to make my own unless I really, really, really need it and can't make it by myself. Then I will find a reduced one online, Amazon. Okay, give me a thumbs up if you like this. Subscribe to my channel. And have a jolly day and save your money. Make your own tools. Find what you have in the kitchen and repurpose them, reuse them. Yeah. Okay, I have to drink my coffee now. See you. Take care. Have a great Sunday.